This is by far the biggest problem I encounter as a document preparer, and that is incorrect names on birth certificates. I could tell you stories. I have two clients right now, similar situation. One is applying for citizenship based on her mother being a Jamaican, and the other one is trying to get her mother to the US by filing for her. Coincidentally, both mothers have the same first name. One who is trying to fix her mother's name because she's filing for her mother, and the name on her birth certificate is not the name her mother goes by. The name on her mother's birth certificate is not the same name on her mother's passport, TRN, and her other ID, and her voter's ID. All of these ID have a different name than the mother's birth certificate, as well as on the child's birth certificate. So she's doing a correction of error. The other person is applying for Jamaican citizenship based on her mother being Jamaican. When I filled the application form, she said, "There's an error. You spelled my mother's name wrong." And I said, "How is it wrong?" And I showed her the birth certificate. She had never noticed all her life that her mother's name was not spelled the way it is on the birth certificate. So now she's applying for a new birth certificate, and she might end up using the name on the application how it is on the birth certificate. The passport office will not accept any application with a name that does not match the actual document. So here's a word to the wise. Please get your documents fixed. The second biggest problem is once we see the name, we continue to use it. When we see the error, we should not continue to use it. And today one of the applicants said to me, her family said to her, it is cheaper to keep the incorrect name than to fix it. This is not true. It is never less expensive to carry an incorrect name that does not match your original documents. This one makes no sense. So let this be a word to the wise. I'm going to make another video where I talk about different scenarios in which names are spelled incorrectly and the consequences they might have. I am Gail of 876 Documents. Thanks for watching.